In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the feedback button on WordPress 2025. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or a complete beginner, adding a feedback button to your website is a fantastic way to engage with your visitors and gather valuable insights. So let's dive in and walk you through the entire process step by step. First, head over to wordpress.com, open your preferred web browser and type in wordpress.com into the address bar. Once you've arrived on the homepage, you'll notice the option to log in at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to the login page where multiple login options are provided. If you have a Google account, choose the option to continue with Google. It's a convenient and secure method, perfect for those who find it easier to manage their logins through a single portal. Click on it and you'll be prompted to select your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one linked to your WordPress account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your site's dashboard. Look to the right panel and here you'll see a section called Quick Links. Within this section there's an Edit Site button. Click on Edit Site and this will take you directly to the page where you can make changes and add new elements to your WordPress site. In the top left corner of your screen there's an Add button which allows you to add new blocks to your site. This feature is incredible for being truly customizable and user-friendly. Click on the Add button and a variety of block options will be presented to you. In the search bar, type in Feedback Button. Doing this will filter your choices and lead you directly to the Feedback Button block. This tool is designed to collect user opinions right from your website, enabling you to gather useful data about your user experience. Once the Feedback Button block appears in the list, click on it. The block will be added to your selected page. From this point you can customize the feedback button's appearance and settings according to your preferences. Ensure that it's visible and accessible so that visitors can easily provide their input, and there you have it. You've successfully added a feedback button to your WordPress site. Not only does this empower you to receive constructive feedback, but it also enhances user engagement, paving the way for continuous improvements. Remember to review feedback regularly and use it to make informed decisions about your site's future developments. This simple yet effective WordPress feature provides an excellent opportunity to connect more deeply with your audience and improve user satisfaction. So why not give it a try and elevate the way you engage with your site visitors? Thank you for watching and happy blogging.